I'm a display manager here at Anthropology. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a marbleized acrylic pour. We made them for our spring windows, but I'm going to show you guys how to do it for a vase for a tablescape. We use sodium alginate powder. We're using a food-safe, non-toxic version. Make sure you do 2 measuring utensils and a sieve to get any clumps out. Really clean plastic containers, some really brightly colored acrylic paint. I like to use acrylic high flow. You can use any acrylic paint though, just make sure that you mix it really well with a little bit of water so it doesn't get too clumpy. We used a piece of acetate for our pour, but you can really use any clear plastic you want. You could totally just grab a shower curtain from Home Depot and that would work great. So I'm gonna take a heaping teaspoon of sodium alginate powder and then a little bit more than a liter of water. You're gonna wanna blend the sodium alginate powder for about 10 minutes until it's really well mixed. You can see it's kind of bubbling at the top. And then we're gonna sieve it to make sure that we don't have any little bubbles left. So I have 6 paints, I have 6 containers. I'm gonna divide it up evenly. And then how much paint you add is just like kind of up to how opaque you want it to be. I like to look at it on the stick and see if it mostly covers the wood and you know it's about right. So I have my clear plastic taped really smooth and flat on my flat surface. So I usually start with one little line, dots of the color, and then you can kind of partner it up to make a pattern. So we're gonna do a row of a brighter color, keeping it a little bit separated so that they don't bleed too far together. And now the fun part, we start to tilt, and you're gonna wanna use a couple of different sticks to kind of help smooth as you're going. We're gonna leave this alone for 24 hours and come back to it when it's dry. Here we have our finished pour. So this is actually the shiny side. Here's the side that we made our pour on. I've marked out the dimensions of our specific vase. We're gonna attach it using just a simple piece of Scotch tape. This is a really great thing you can make in mass if you're having a dinner party and you wanna have like a big tablescape, you can make a bunch of these.